So when I was installing hardwood flooring into the stairs, I was having to put stair noses, and I was realizing that when you buy stair noses, they come in 78 inches or 6.5 feet. I measured each stair. I was having each stair at 39 to 40 inches. So I found that when I cut like 40 inches off of 78 inches of the stair nose, I was left with 38 inches, which didn't fit any of the stairs. It was like half an inch or an inch too short. I was trying to reduce the amount of waste and wasted money. I'm trying to maximize as much of the stair nose as I can. So I was trying to figure out if you can do 2 pieces of stair nose for 1 stair instead of having 1 stair nose for each stair like everyone tells you to do. So what I ended up finding out was that you can just do a 45-degree cut, so that way it hides the joint a little bit better. So then the first thing I did was I pretty much cut 2 45 pieces, so that way I know that they fit pretty well, but I oversize them, so that way they're like, if I put this piece and this piece, and I oversize them, so that way there's like the extra gap, and then I'll go back and I'll cut the straight, because the straight is easier, so I'll cut the straight so that it fits better, or it fits like snugly, and then I kind of sneak up on that cut. So pretty much I put this one here, so it's flat, and then I put this one here, and then I cut it perfectly, so that way it fits. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Okay, bye.